Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys a tour of my laundry room nook, how I have it all set up to help make doing laundry easier, and it helps me keep everything under control, and I wanted to share those tips with you guys today. So let's take a look at my laundry nook. So this is what my laundry room looks like, or my little laundry nook. It's literally just like a little closet. I have 3 baskets sitting at the top, and I keep all of the laundry separated. That way it helps me out so that I'm not having to deal with like a big mess later on when I have to do laundry. Everything's already like pre-separated for me when it's time for me to wash a load. 1 basket for white or light colored clothes. I have a basket for towels and a basket for colored clothes, and it just makes doing laundry so much quicker and easier. And on this little shelf I just have a little can where I put, or a little basket where I put any loose change or anything that I find in pant pockets. I stick it in here, and then later on I can just put those things away where they go, and I just have some little decor. And I got this cute little sign from Hobby Lobby, and it says "Let's get ready to tumble," and I thought that was super cute. And just a little faux plant that I got from IKEA. And this is where I keep the bottles of laundry detergent. And I hung this little shelf up where I keep like the dryer sheets, storage bags, and some little clips to hang up laundry to dry. I have a toothbrush to just help me scrub out any stains. And I have this little stain remover. And up top I just have a little bottle of Clorox, which I honestly don't ever use, some Downy wrinkle release, and then my fabric softener. Usually what I do is I will take a basket with me like this upstairs, because all the bedrooms are upstairs, and every morning I will fill this up with dirty clothes. So I have a basket of dirty clothes in my restroom, and I have one in my boys' room, and I just fill up this basket and I bring it downstairs, and I will usually leave it there, and then later on in the day when I have a chance I'll go ahead and separate it all into the little baskets that I have up here. And I try to do at least 1 load of laundry every day, and that's start to finish. So I put it to wash, dry, and then I will finish that load of laundry, folding it and then putting it away. And it just helps to make it easier so that the laundry doesn't pile up on me. So that's just my little tip for you guys to help maintain your laundry so that it doesn't get out of control. And since I started doing it this way, it has helped me immensely. Years back I would always have trouble keeping up with laundry, and my gosh, the clean clothes would be just piled up high that I needed to fold, or there would be like a pile of dirty clothes in the garage, and it would just take me forever to get through everything. It was just so tedious. So since I've been doing this method of washing clothes and separating clothes, it's just helped me so much, and I don't have that issue with laundry getting out of control anymore. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any tips or tricks for keeping your laundry under control, let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your guys' hacks for doing laundry. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!